Hello, good afternoon. In this quick lesson, I just want us to go through the quickest way to customize the quick access toolbar that we saw in our lesson 2 and lesson 3. Yeah, and also part of lesson 4. Microsoft Excel, in Word, and in PowerPoint. So here am I in Microsoft Excel, and we already saw that you can just go up to the quick access toolbar, click here, and add any of this to your quick access toolbar. Yes, you can add as well as remove any of this in your quick access toolbar, and it will be added up, and it is added up here where you can simply just click to it and perform your tasks faster and easier. In addition to clicking and just adding from here, you can equally go to more command, and when you can see the quick access toolbar is activated here, so you simply go through this and add whatever you want to add to your quick access toolbar. Yes, and add whatever you want to add to your quick access toolbar. Notice in choose command from, we have popular command. You can equally open this to find other commands that are not like the draw tab, for instance. You see the draw tabs appears here, and you can be able to add it, whatever you want to add to your quick access toolbar. Yes. Okay. Yes. And you can equally go to more command and choose all commands, for instance, and you will have the entirety of the possible commands that you can add to your Microsoft Excel quick toolbar. Yes. The easy map added. So okay, here we have a panoply of commands that we've added to our quick Microsoft Excel quick toolbar. This command is available for both Microsoft Excel, for PowerPoint, Word. Notice that of Microsoft Word is pretty empty, so we can still go to more command, and we select whichever command we want to add. Yes, and add to our Microsoft Excel quick toolbar. Great, and it is added right up here. Cool. If you want to add something like shapes, for instance, to your quick access toolbar, instead of clicking here and going through all the procedure we've gone through, you can simply go to insert, for instance, insert, come to shape. Yes, this is shape, but instead of clicking on the shape, you right click and then choose add to quick access toolbar. When you add to your quick access toolbar, you can easily find your shape right up here, and you'll be able to draw whatever shape you want to draw on your work sheet, for instance. Yes, also if you want to draw a circle, you select the oval shape, and notice when I start drawing, what actually is appearing is the oval shape. So if I want a perfect circle, what I need to do is to click and hold the shift key, and now I can be able to get a perfect circle from the oval shape. So this is actually the best way to add a button or a command that you use frequently in Microsoft Excel, in Word or PowerPoint, or even Publisher, all the Microsoft suites. This is the quickest way of adding, and it actually helps if you know where to find the command. For instance, if I want to add the field, yes, the field or the auto sum, for instance, I can right click and then I choose add to quick access toolbar, and we have our auto sum command present right up here. Same thing for formulas, same thing for anything you want. For view, for instance, you follow the same procedure, and this all what we've seen applies same for Microsoft Word. Yes, for Microsoft Word, if you want shape still to appear on your quick access toolbar, find shape, right click and then choose add to quick access toolbar, and your shape is added right up there. If you want Wikipedia, still the same thing, and we have our Wikipedia added right up here, where if you're connected, work with Wikipedia for instance, and you need to find out anything, let me say Cameroon for instance, search, yes, and you have to be online. You have to be online, of course. Your Wikipedia will directly give you the contents of on Cameroon found in Wikipedia. Cameroon, officially the Republic of Cameroon, and so and so. Yeah, this actually goes same for PowerPoint. Yes, you can have a situation where you don't find this quick access toolbar above your ribbon. So if maybe you find it below, you have difficulty finding it above, or you want to move it above the ribbon, you just move to this, right click, and then you see here, yeah, show below the ribbon. So you can actually have a situation where our quick access toolbar is showing below the ribbon and not above the ribbon. Toolbar is not above the ribbon but rather below here, and if you want it to go back, you right click here and then you select show above the ribbon, and it goes back up here, and you can continue to add as previously seen. Since we'll mostly be doing drawing in our PowerPoint, I would like to add the drawing tool to our quick access toolbar. Yes, more command. Drawing is not found in our popular command, so I will go to all commands. Yes, and now I can scroll to drawing and add it. Draw, yes, that is it right there, and we add to our quick access toolbar, and here it is. And actually this drawing helps more for those who have a machine with a touch screen, or where you can be able to use your finger or your pen. So you see how helpful this can be, and how easy, and how it can make your work actually go smooth and very quick, instead of you having to move to each ribbon before finding to each tool before finding the corresponding ribbon, and then looking the tool you want to. If you already upload your tool to the quick access toolbar, it becomes very easy and fast. And if at any point you're working on a new subject, on a new design and a new project, and your quick access toolbar become too saturated and you want to remove a tool, you simply just have to right click on it, and then you have remove from quick access toolbar, and you remove. So see you in our next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.